Kublai pi barwa ni bidang sobai pi sekatuk kubor jeng petngor cable news. Haswa begini sedang iki kubor ke jengi minta kata yong ini kemi syai kimat bekongsan. Ka sarkar ka nom ailat ban sim ya ka an hala ka kti. Bat ka jeng kawang petrol bom kam dan benta bat ka jeng sakem ki dikhat ka KSU ong ba prestun. Berngem ki samlawat kampulet ban nek ujor no asa ka yeng bisa. Dawa ka HYC ban kendang no iki sispa sa pratili kilong yeng ki besak be an hat hem metor. Penlong jingalang kibor ka East Khasi Hills, halor ka kam sa bean jo kibriu halum survey. Bat lum jingalang ba prestun halor ka jing sinai ka surok Shillong Dauki, bat Shillong Western Bypass. Usembut menteri rang ba ka jela ba prestun tensong ha ka sibalang jo katayo, ulong ba ka sarkar kan nom ailat yenu inuru, ban sem ya ka an ha ka kti ka jongki. Bat ka sarkar kala sim ye ki sen jam ban penti kena bahkan medan kanu ke jengkta ya ka songsuk songsan ha ka jela.
Habai keren bikin pathai kubor uba Presiden Tensong ulong bola dap pathai Director General ki Pulet bade ketenat Pulet bakin don ki madan bat man penti kena bakum kini ki jengja kemdai syok banja nang ne syakmat. Bat kino mailat yano ru bakin syimek an halaki jong ki kiti. Halor kejeng keli balagi ni kejeng kawang petrol bom gede gebedan bentai bag kejeng syakem kino ngilam ka Khasi Students Union. Uba Presiden Tensong ulong ba umkwa ban peneso ikini kejeng kawang petrol bom bagi dei ki bayesno bag kejeng syakem gede hot ka KSU. Uba Presiden Tensong ulong ba ong bakini ki breu ke belah syara ne ke belah syakem gede na keseng KSU ne ki wei pat ki kenhon jeng ki breu. Henrei ai bakaan kan le ke badan kam bat nget ba kejeng kawang petrol bom kadai tang namar basya kem ki dekat ka KSU. Uba Presiden Tensong ulo kentu ikinong song bakin long ke bajai-jai bat ke sarkar rengkat bat ki Pulet kilat raya la kam ban penti kena bagi pat ba ken let syayau syahat bat banyak ki surok da kejeng sngan.
कल 11:40 हो गया था तो दो आदमी आया था बाइक से तो दो आदमी वहाँ से आके बाइक से एक आदमी पेट्रोल बम फेंक के चला गया यहाँ पर।
तो आपने क्या किया?
वो फेंकने के साथ साथ मैं भी यहाँ पर हम दो जन था ना तो एक वहाँ पर बैठा था तो हम भी यहाँ पर बैठा था घर पे तो आवाज़ सुनने के बाद यहाँ आ गया। आवाज़ सुनने के बाद यहाँ आके देखा तो वो पेट्रोल बम फेंक चुका था तो हम यहाँ से कोशिश किया था मगर सबसे पहले तो आग बुझाना है बोल के आग बुझाने चला गया बस। ज़्यादा नहीं लगा हुआ था क्योंकि उस पर वो फेंकने के साथ साथ वो फैला नहीं था ना एक्चुअली वो सिर्फ वो कांच पे लग के ड्रॉप हो गया तो वो नीचे गिर गया वो आग नीचे लग गया बस।
गाड़ी उड़ी का नंबर नहीं देखे हैं?
गाड़ी नंबर तो कुछ वो नहीं दिखा दिया क्योंकि वो सब बाहर था ना ये बाहर से फेंक के गया।
कितना लोग
आए थे?
वो 2 जन थे।
2 जन बाइक में आए थे?
हाँ।
अच्छा, आपका नाम?
मेरा नाम किशन की संगमा।
Be cool and calm. I think if you say law and order is totally broken down, it's not like that. There are incidents like that where the petrol bomb, happen. Maybe in 4, 5 or 6 or 7 and 8 places. That happened, but at the same time, let me tell you, from the police side, from the home, we are on the job and will make sure that people are fully safe and secure. We will not allow anybody to take the law on their own hands. Law will prevail, and I have already instructed very, very clearly to the DGP and also the SPs and all to make sure that this kind of things should not again. And we have asked all the department concerned, all the police office, the government offices to be cautious and also to make sure that when they park their vehicle or whatever, it should be in a proper place. See, the investigation is on. As I said to you, it is not only with the police alone. Judiciary also is there. So you see, as I said to you, the procedure is there. So therefore, whatever the law takes, I think let us leave it to the number one, to the judiciary, and also from our side also, whatever conclusion we will submit ultimately all the issues to the judiciary.
Will you increase the security around the city, sir?
Yeah, that too for sure. We will do it. We will make sure that our people are very safe, the public are safe, They can go to the market. They can walk in the street safely. There is no harm.
Is there any requirement for additional force to maintain?
No, right now we are examining. But as I said to you, we will not sleep. We will make sure that the law is in order. DGP to be on the ground and then to make sure that these things does not happen in the future. See, let me tell you one thing. I don't say whether KSU or not KSU members. When we arrest any person, you need to understand one thing. We strictly follow from all angles, where, how, and why. Then ultimately investigation starts taking place, and thereafter again it will go to the court and let the court ultimately decide things. So my point here is very clear. I don't say whether those people whom we already pick up, whom we already arrested, belongs from KSU or from other group of people, but let the law take its own course. Okay. Number two, still I don't believe that, the petrol bomb happens because of the arrest of the members of so-called KSU. I am very sure they are also very measured people. I don't think that, happens, because right now we will not allow from our side. Let the law prevails, and we will not allow these things to happen, and therefore we will make sure that the law and order is, whatever you see, is safe and does not break down.
Gisamla wat kam pulit ha kasihat majai jong tayo kilelit a de jing tho house secretary jong katnat ki kampo yin jong jela oba Cyril V Dengdo bat kila berngam ban le ujor saying bisat lada ka sarkar jela kale bampatiaw ye ki jing dawa ki jong ki
Gisamla wat kam pulit agalai potre ujayong arhajar apusau kila berngam ban le ujor saying syari lada nakaliang sarkar kale bampatiaw ye ki jing dawa jong ki halor ki jing pentrekam ya ka revise guidelines klem dayat kat kum kelinti ka badai. Kini kisamla wat kampulet kilelit benbo daga jingtho House Secretary Ketanat Korbari uba Cyril V Dengdo benbo jingkeli halor kejing penren Jakarta tung kampulet. Habakran cikilat patai kubor kabari lang pengro kala itu bakini kejingtho kelong banwat daga jingtep halor kejingle abean Ketanat pulet pat berengamru balada kidang singap jar nagilang kisamla kim bansia bandet ujorno syakayeng syari.
Dia nilai ki irregularities ki belum illegal ru ya ka age ki change kelam ka notification kung mga patay dia ka notification ngala gli na iba CD Dengdo kam kimpatan notification ki ong yet to be released dia kini ibun ki jingkeli kumno kan ki change ka age limit kelam ka notification ni di kuntangi wan ban submit ya ka written representation nila dap submit siya ka secretary jong ka police department nila submit ya secretary jong ka personal department nantangin submit siya secretary jong ka CRB siya yes patay
Fidel ni ban ong berakhlar kan Islam lekin rumah ban pendiang kumba guideline
Oh, niyo iba ki revise guidelines ki abo klam ka notification kan takadaw ni one file presentation di damban siya ti kumba suggest lang ki samla baro ngin namban siya ngin hablet siya kon namar ba ngimla pi ban susha update ya kanika daday ban kay ki ibalong legal ho ngi iba kimbot kat kum ka notification di haka kot kuboro pilay ihi naka artarik arpun tarik fam Chief Minister jungila ang baka notification is yet to be released. Takadaw long kumno kay pansyo permit revised guidelines klam ka notification. Di kung tahing iwan submit ya ka representation ni papan I proof mo ka signature i kalakan kami di tangkat tahi.
Akan nagajing lain ka mga freshman sarkat ni studio mo maraba seperti itu kualitas tangkat tahi.
Balik dia studio Allah kay muna.
Studio ya ka nomor ba arjan kat mulai badon ka COVID-19 ba siya kata COVID-19 lo kata selain kali pro dan kata studio bala planas na di sala de banay yung election angkatan itu asan itu nilawan kanto itu sini utring tu wan kanto civil next week kan MCO coba dan kata mo pa menjadi
Kecil mo ba kat kum kini kam sipai kam pulit on jelak bandan kan lap siap ini bolak bumi kat tu kat mana kita buat dia pada nak kelas anda melihat dia kata yang melaksuk
akhirnya kata kita ni mau ki kendor mau tambah uji jom ni ki SSC DSF CRPF ini tanglah dapat iwan tang relax naga aku ndai ketanglah hadut lai ko ar kan iwan tang relax buat apa ni ka sampai ni apalagi aku mikir apa kamna kan iwan tang relax kata kan dicingkeli
sejauh serta bagi di kam cuma dengan kat kena nadu kat lah kedua apa asna di kam cuma ni
jadi untuk serta berkuntai kenapa kuat kita fitness kamu fitness kamu selfie ka is kesong ka penjol ka kilometer balatan lupa physical health no kuat banyak ka fitness dekat is relax
tapi kalau Tapi dia sepiu punya dalam kesempatan kamu relax ya kita yang cepat juga.
Katanya hak sosial para sampai hasilnya berkata penawannya sekarang.
Kahnya Trap Youth Council HYC hakala asi ublay jong tayo kalalik ya kendu yu sembut menteri rangba ka jela uba Preston Tun Song. Ubalong ru chairman jong ka high level committee bandawa badai ban ai jakasa tang ya ki sispa khandai pusau tli kilong yeng ki bede ki nong tre sarkar ki besong basa athemetor kat bai ki sispa sau pu pratli kilong yeng ki besusa bean deban kendang no
u sembut menteri rangba kejela uba Preston Tun Song belong u chairman jong high level committee hakasni balang jong katayo le thu bak sarkar jela klabtha ke Shillong municipal board bade ka tanat penroisor ban kemi bnia abyang halor ke jubab lembaga RTI kabla kedau ba nakilai spa sau pu artli kilong yeng ki badan hathemetor kidan hadu sispa so pratli ki basa abian uba Preston Tun Song ulong baki HYC kal IT de kedor khas lor ke jubab ka bakal yo lengbak RTI ka bakado bah ke jaka lai spa so artli gilong yeng kilap batang kombashi spa khandai sautli di gilong yeng juginong tray ka Shillong municipal board bat ki bekitran kumta kalong ke badan kamban pensisai kania bat kumta ulapa ra ke jingtho sha CEO jong Shillong municipal board badio director katanat penroisor bagian pensisa bagian ai gejing tiap show ulih tu bagi sarkar jela kan lume gejing yalang hakah nyau trek jemang bat keharijan panchayat komiti ban Shimrai halor gejing tumu ban penggen ria ano iki basong basa athemetor syaka jaka kebalapan kreya da ke sarkar
and then pointing out about the RTI copy that they received, they said instead of 342, they found out that it was only 94 or something like that. So I told them, subjected to verification again. So I have already sent back this copy to the Chief Executive Officer as well as to the Director of the Urban Affairs Department, where they have to re-verify and then come back, give it the detail to RTI, because the way the reply of RTI is, I remember correctly when I was looking after power. That again, that's sebagai scheme. The RTI and the actual things that we have in the file is different. So I don't say that it is in totality correct. That's what I sent back to the department concerned to bring back all the details, and if need be, clarification has to be given.
Kahnya Trap Youth Council kelepen pawe kejing bam sengoyahap halor kejing ong Deputy Commissioner ke East Khasi Hills ban up hadut demanda dap kejing yakun mukaduma halor kibriu ki basabean halom survey hajan kethem yo molong habakran ni gelap patai kubor ka arterik jemang arhajar arpusau u president ke HYC u aroi ku parsenram ulitho bakat kum kejing te balayo re keseng kalong ba kini kejaka kam shimdan show up dan kejing yakun mukaduma namar baga defense estate office kladapan job ke mukaduma hagas nam arhajar hendrio kabel ujor persya aki langut kibriu keberandukan hagen kejaka uba roy kupar senram uladawan u deputy commissioner baban syah lor kene kejaka nakaliang u deputy commissioner kumjuk ki bor pada pej ya kene kejaka kidi balik jurip hi bad uba roy kupar senram ula ongru bakaseng kala ai por stayo ki bor district ban shimkhia kene kamat lem kumta kaseng kan shim dak awai kesenjam kabatung e
oi nilai iba udisi jong ka iskasil sula pentip berlapan pau yang ini by day bat ki kam runar la negi kam sneu ki bami na katu kajaka na kaliang jong DC la de ban I direction ya ka police department bahkan le ya ka badon kam na ka banta ban te la kam ya kanika ya ki jing sneu ki bami na katu kajaka kumbangi la penpau long ba ki jing long ba ka jing det ka jongi ba kanika jaka ka de kata ka hub la ni ka jaka pedeng ka bami shibun ki jing sneu kham tam me ka jing supply drugs bat ki ki jing sneu ti habai de ba tu ka banta ngi sokan ai khule UDC ka jing shim ka jing shim ga jong u yang ne kam khnang man penti kana ba kana ga jaka kanom de ga jaka ka bomi sibun ki kam snir ndai ka wei ga ba pen ka bangi ngim so ya ham ya ka jing kren jong DC ka long ba ka jing dawa jong ka seng nadu ka bastang ka long ba de ban wengi kini gi briu na kani ga jaka tin rei kat kum ka statement ga bo DC pen ni menen ka sniu ong ba un up hadu banda don kata ka rai jong ka kut ha ka nyu trik jong mentau panai namar ba kat kum ga jing so thu jong DC kani ga kam lane kani ga jaka ka don hapo ka jing ele kies ndre na kaliang jong ka seng hadin mangilale ban jurib ya tu ka jaka hadin mangilale ya kendu ya kibor ke badai pet ya tu ka jaka ngilawat jing tip rut nalade ha badai ba kata kita ki kies ki ba na kaliang jong ka cantonment board ba na kaliang jong ka defense estate officer kan pa kat kum ga jing wat jing tip ka jong ni hadu menta kumba kalong hi ka defense estate officer kala de ban job ya kies ya tu ka jaka katari ka baningkong hadin bala job ya kies na kaliang jong ka defense estate officer kila I notice ya langut kibrio ya langut kibrio ki badon ya ka business activities ki jong ki hakatu ka jaka bat kita ki langut kibrio ki don tangi ki dukan bat ki kam try tang ya ka jaka ka ba we brio kalong tang arspa hadu san spa square feet ki don langut kibrio we arngut ki badon ya ki scrap ya ka tu ka scrap shop hong tu na ka ki jaka ba lum ki scrap materials but iwe pat ide brio banan ti kedukan hang tu akhmat ndre ka jaka lat na kata ketu ka jaka ka basyong ki brio ki mangi ang ki syong bean kam don ki se kata ka de kat kum ka jing tip ka jong ni ka umut ba ka jing ong jong DC ba ka ni ka kam kalong subjudice ka district administration ka nomla ban le kalong de kamlong ka ba kamlong ka ka basisha ti halor kata ka nong rem na kaliang ka jong ni menta ka sngi nila de ban tho how deputy commissioner jong ka East Coast Hills how SP jong ka East Coast Hills ha ka office jong defense estate officer kum juru how chief executive officer ban penpang ba nakaliang ka jong ni hadin mangilawat jingtip ngilai kendu ru wat ikini gibriu ki bele kies uwe ni kita ki bele kies ngila de ban kendu yo tau briu bele kies ba nakaliang jong tau briu bele ka kies ula keren hangi na ko basai ban ong ba ka jingele kies ka jong u ka David thik yang itu jakai ba don ka to business ban deal ha ki scrap kate ka jaka ka balat nang tu kiti ki jaka ki begitu ki briu ki syong ki sa kam don bentai ba hakata ka kies ka ba menta ka don hapo ka court jong district judge ti nakaliang jong ka seng ni ong ba bansyai ya kani kam khnang ba district administration khnang ba kibor sarkar kin southu ba habai dei bat kini ki jaka ke bele kies mo lightly kita gidukan lani ki jaka lai jong langut kibrio nakaliang jong ka seng ong kat ba kies kanang don lele kamatsa ko makalong ai ba kut kan rai ndrei habai dei pat begini ki prapo hadu shispa teli ki long yeng ki basyong basak bean hang tu nakaliang jong ka seng ni kwa begini ya kini kibrio de ban weng no mardo teknang ban ya syai hajaka nakaliang jong ka seng ni la tho menta ka singi kini ki south teli ki office ban dawa ba kidi ban pelong da spot verification haringkat bat keseng la dagi court yangi bat kumju ru haringkat begitu ki beri ki badan ni kies kenang ba UDC ni song thu abu don ho office la se kidon gijing ajing bun nasyani satai syai ba ya ka kam tingi kwa kenang ba ka district administration kenang ba ka office jong defense estate officer kin lap ya jing shisha bat kin sim kam kloy ya ni kam ni kwa ba kidi ban pelong da ka spot verification kamut ba kin let hajaka kin khot ye gitu gibriu ki bayle ya ka kies maki kin pen i kanu ka jaka ka bayle kies bat kani ka balat kamut ba kani ka jaka ka bahe ka baye syong pat kini ki illegal settlers ya ki de ban shim kam no kham kloy te kata ka ri ka jing dawa ka jongi ya ka bangila de ban ai mata ka singi pat ngin up hapo sitayo balada ka sorka lada ka district administration bat ki bor ki bade pet kimle e nakaliang no ka sengi man si bangin sa syempat dakwe ka kam ha ka bah kani ka jing thong ila ong balada ka district administration kam le e pom nakaliang no ka seng ngin sa khot ngin sa let hi harangkat ki press ki media ban let chajaka harangkat bakini ki bri bele kes khnang ba ki pat ba kinom sotho bakala namar kat kum ka jing mi jong DC ka jing kren jong DC menden kala pelong penret mensia yangi bat kamju ri ki nong shong snong ban su thu bakla bakanir kan de we kam ko bale se kan sa teng tena kala yang jong ngim kwa ban pen sa teng ni ka kam ma sisien bang ila sim ni kwa bakan bangin poi sa ka thong ka mut ba ki nong shong thap ki nong shong ba nya ka jaka la kalong jong sorkar la kalong jong cantonment board ri ko badon ya po rilum khasi ba jan tiang ne po rilum jong ni ka ne jala ka jong ni ki dei ban sha be la da kim biang ya ki kon islam ki jong ki haba ki shong isa ka hagita ki jaka
halor jingpan jingshai usembut menteri rangba kejela uba preston tensong halor ki brio basa harijan koloni uba roy kupar senram ulapan pawe ke jingsngo thamula hadin bu sembut menteri rangba kejela ulapan ke jingshai ne katenat kabla ai ya ke jubab lengba ke RTI Syaka Seng, halor kejingdan kibrio kibadai hok kinong trai hikitinat sorkar kibasa akan kejaka. La ban kedau hang ne ban kaliang ke HYC kelawan ban kendu, ya ubah Preston Tensong ubah usembut menteri rangba kejela, ubalong ru chairman ke high level committee. Na kebenta ban penkendria kibrio kibasa atem yo molong. Na kebenta ban pentip bakat kum ke RTI balayo na ke Shillong Municipal Board. Na kilai spa asapu artli kilong yeng kibatmu ban penkendria na tem yo molong. Kidon tang shispa kendai pesau teli kibedai kino teri sorkar kat ba ki shispa asapu perapat kidai kibesusa bean hakan kejaka
baningkong eng suban panpau ba kalong ke ke ba hakajuk kopor ba susi ba kalong ke ke ba hakajuk kopor ka ba ngimla ban pediang namar ba riu tuli snam ngila ya lenti menta nadu snam arja khatra hajing sha ka sorkar ka ong bah kan nyutrik jong mentau benai kan de sin ka bakhadu bakan ya shong bat ka HPC kata ka nong kita ka seng ka bami ikhmat iki beri ke shong te ngiru da ka jingmut ba ka sorkar lesi kelas study namar kani ka komiti ka bal khri do deputy CM ndri tuli kisnem kala trekam ngana mut ba kelas study bha ya ki kot kisla shwaban shim ya karai shwaban ya penbet iki ni beri ndri basul ka bas ngolengwa kalong ba menin ngasngi yo iba Deputy CM uang bahasa sisin non pak biang ban re-verify kini kikot kislah. Ngiyo iru yang statement ke uang ba let's say kajing ai jubab RTI kalak ban kanomlong 100% accurate ke ba uang ba teng kalak ban kajing bakla. Dre kumba kalong hi ke RTI ke bangi ngiyo kamde ke bangi thau mengi kamde ke bangi snahi mengi de kadai ke jubab ke ba yo nakatakan noodle department ke badil ya kan ikam kamut ke Shillong Municipal Board Ti ban ong ba kata ka Shillong Municipal Board ka bakla lani ka ai ya ka jubab ka bolong inconsistent but kijing shisha tengah try la da kalong kumta utau officer uba dili kani kam uba jubab yang ni uha ban shim ga jing clear bat ka baaru lesi kande ka jing persyang jang sorkar bahadin mengilalap bakadon ka jing bombiang ha kita ki data ki ba ka submit ha ki board ba ban submit kala lesi mendega ka jing persyang joko sorkar ban wanra pada kawe ka data ka bakin sa ay ngi lesi hadin baka Shillong Municipal Board kala study kan ka RTI ka bangi niyo ajing sya ban pha biang ka jing ong jong deputy CM ban pha biang ban study ka RTI ka jongi ka bangi submit ha uha ka SMB ka baka SMB ka ay ngi kalong ka ege ka ba thamula do kata rata kumnu phin pha study ka ju ka department ka ba makahi ka jubab yang ngi ti kalong ka ege ka ba kala bandai ketang ke taktik ke jongki nam taban penslam dan kalian do kaseng ban ya ka ba ni IA ya ka jaka lani ya ki yeng segini kisis pa sau pratli ki bom dei hok ban yo ngatrai ka kanong ke ik ka ba ngimla ban penyang ti ban lat na kata ngatrai ka sorkar ka ban pensha tada ka ong balai spa sau ko artli pin ai ki bedei hok ban yo itu kuata ndre film dei ban ai watang i weiru i yeng i bom dei hok ban yo bat ngin keren da ka putih kena ba kini kisis pak sau prateli la da ka sorkar kaile ban tap it miau kan no kan nur ban penbet ban ong begidi nong tre jo sorkar kanom la katangi la ban ong da ngin keren ya ka sorkar da ko basai kala ban sna sibun kila kelenti ban pensisa begini gibri gidi nong tre jo sorkar de ngiru ngila lap iki ngila yo iki kot kisla ban pensisa ba kindon be kilong yin gini sis pak sau prateli bekim de nong tre jo sorkar tingin pet ya ka coba ba lani ka sinjam ko sorkar kan ship
Keyboard penyak district jangka East Khasi Hills rengkat ke Shillong Cantonment Board bat ke Shillong Municipal Board hakasi balang joko tayau kilesong jingyalang hakabai day bat ke jing sakbe an joki brio halum survey bat kilesem ya karai ban thau da ka joint committee ban pet ba anam dan ka jingle ya ki kam sniu ki ban kta ya ka songsu songsan
Ya kini ke Jingyalang lalu du Deputy Commissioner ke District East Khasi Hills USC Sadhu hakabalawan banishim benta du Chief Executive Officer ke Shillong Cantonment Board u Ayush Maurya Chief Executive Officer ke Shillong Municipal Board UPK Boro bagi he na ke Defence Estate Office Guwahati. Habai keren beginau patai kubor USC Sadhu ule tu bau Defence Estate Officer ule pentip bagi jingelang bat batai ke jinglong jengman jaka jaka bat senjam ke bakila shim bat ke hukum ke bela penmi de ke yeng syari. Ule tu bagi Defence Estate Office kala job ke mokot duma halor ke jinglong trai ya ke jaka. Bat hadian bagilah Pak Ami no ik bahasa abian nrai kini kilalet mudoi ke yang syari bak yang syari kala penmi ya ke stay order ne ban penne ik kumbalong bat kancong bishar biang halor kakam ha ke arpu pratrik ujemang ha ke bedai bejing keno badan ki jingle ya ki kam sniau ha ke jaka Deputy Commissioner ulong bag jingalang kala shemekarai bantau de Joint Committee ke ban kentup nak office Deputy Commissioner ke Shillong Cantonment Board, ke Shillong Municipal Board, bat ki pulit, bat ansapha ke kenhuan ke mandat jurip, ya kena ke jaka. Bala dalap ikinu-kinu ki kambean, de ban pensange, bat ban lek de ke batung Deputy Commissioner ulong bagai yang syari ke IST order tang halor ke jing Pak Ami no yaki. Nrai kam kang pat, ban shim kia la daja badan kanu-kanu ke jing kata, ya ke syongsuk syongsan.
So their representative also came to today's meeting and they have shared the entire history and what action has been initiated by them and what are the subsequent court proceedings. And in fact, we told them that we will write a letter to them to share all this background history and their action which has been taken up by them so far, so that they said that they should as that in a day they will share this information. We will also study and that will help us to decide our course of action. But what transpired in this meeting is that, so initially there was a title suit for this land. It was given in favor of Defence Estate Office, so that is very clear. After this, when they issued eviction notice for this people who are there, specifying the boundary, so they went to court has given stay order that the eviction has to be followed as per the law, in due procedure of law. So that basing on this, as per the latest in the month of December, they have fixed the date of 27th of May as the date for hearing, where the court asked the Defence Estate Office, that is to respond to the queries that is notice. So after this, we are expecting, basing on the discussion that we have discussed, a favorable decision in favor of Defence Estate Officer, and there we will decide the course of action. But at the same time, what we discussed with them is that as this place we are getting reports and complaints that this place is being used by different players for various illegal activities. So that's we are initiating with SP of East Khasi Hills for a detailed report on law and order in this area, so that we will take action as per this procedure also with respect to violation of any of this law and order. Earlier, only in 2016, if I remember correctly, but this is, as we see the papers showed by the Defence Estate Office and their team, so it is about the due process for eviction of these people who are staying there. So that is where they have asked for the response from the Defence Estate Office. So they sought time for their response, and they fixed it 27th May. And now their Defence Estate Office, they say that they are ready with their response. On 27th May, they are hopeful for lifting of the status quo for this place, where they have already issued eviction notice. If the status quo is no longer there, then we can immediately initiate for the eviction of this place.
Evict those illegal settlers in your area. What is the stand of the Cantonment Board?
Yeah, Cantonment Board has already apprised the HYC that particular plot of land, Estate Officer is Defence Estate Officer Guwahati Circle. So we have apprised them. There's a court case going on. There's a stay on the court case, and DO Guwahati is fighting the case for removal of the stay. That is the current status.
So it means that since the stay order is there, you cannot do anything from your side?
Yeah, definitely. The stay order is there whenever because court has given a stay order, so we have to process this. And as soon as the stay order is executed, we will take action. Thank you.
There are also allegations that drugs are being sold in that area.
So for this, as I said in the beginning, so as this place, because allegations are there that this place is being used for drug peddling and drug smuggling, so we are seeking a report from police after due verification, particularly the activities that are being done in this particular place, so that we can take in so setting aside the court status quo, that is only for the eviction, but for the law and order, it will not stop us to taking corrective measures for maintenance of the law and order. So if it is found to be true, then we will take immediate action again.
National President juga NPP Conrad Kongkel Sangma ubalong ru Menteri Rang Bak Kajala ulapan pau ye kajing sos kem ba ka Dr. Amperin Lengdo bat ka Agatha ki Sangma ki kertong juga NPP kin job ye ka election MP Lok Sabha na Kajala Meghalaya.
Menteri Rang Bak Kajala ulong bah keleng saudong juga perthai kladon kejing kala jong kesun beneng ba Kajala Meghalaya ru klamat ki babun kejing tenjo na kejing shet kerang ba kejing kiau kensan jong kejing kluit bela pentot ba ulapan pau kejing sokya bagi wadot kila judot umru ndrei mentai kila sang terkhong lut ba kladon ru kejing hiarkan san ko hakiwa uli tho bo lalu me kejing yalang ba ketenat water resources ketenat PHE ketenat forest but environment ba ketenat soil and water conservation nak bentaban shimigi senjam kibala ban pentri kam shipor bat kibala ban pentri kam shirtaru kenang bakinerap hagban wara kejing kala hagibnai banwan Ukonrat Kongkel Sangma ulong ba kejinglong jingman kalong ga ima bat kumta hab bandon gi senjam beper ban la ban imlang bat kene kejingkela bat ban shimru iki katu kene senjam bat ban kene kejingta na kejing kluit jo kamariang Menteri Rang Ba ulok kubur ru ba kene kejingja kadai ru namar ba kiladon kijingti beper ke belakta kamariang kamtam ikitulong bat ke sarkar kala shim gi senjam hagaba la ken bean gi katu kene kijaka bandon kanu kejingti bat komta ki kamti jingti kila sange ndrai gladon pat dakikat tu kan ki jaka ki blas sedang biang ki kamti ndrai la sempat ki senjam ban pha pen sange biang yaki.
And we are all aware that this is impacting obviously the state and in the entire world, in fact. So the effects of this are being felt in almost every corner of the world and the globe. Meghalaya also we are facing a lot of challenges, and the way things are moving forward, the impact is much faster than anybody could have thought. For example, the temperature rise has been just very disturbing, where we have seen heat waves all across Meghalaya. We've seen a lot of problems. At the same time, we are having issues of the streams drying up because of the heat factor also, and many other factors. So streams which were quite, I should say, the water level used to be quite consistent. Even those streams are completely dried up this year. So the rate at which we are seeing depletion in the water level is also something very alarming. So hence we are seeing a lot of these challenges, and just today we had a meeting with the water resource, the PHE, and the forest, and the soil conservation department, and we have reviewed the entire water situation throughout the state, and we have worked out some measures in which we can take some short-term solutions and some long-term measures and medium-term measures, and we're hopeful that these works will have an impact in the coming months also in our city. But yes, situation is very alarming, and we need to have different measures to adapt to these changes, and certain measures to mitigate in whatever way we can this impact of global warming. But yes, it's a phenomenon which we need to accept. Number one, we need to do whatever we can to adapt to it, and we need to do whatever we can to mitigate and to reduce the impact of global warming.
There's also some mining is very high in most of the streams. So what kind of steps are going to take?
You're absolutely right. It's again a challenge between these kind of issues versus livelihood of the people. And if you remember last time in the assembly session also, there were a lot of concerns about the mining activities and how livelihood is being affected. So as a government, we have worked out and managed to see how we maintain the balance between livelihood and impact on this thing. But there are certain levels and points at which we have to draw a line. And obviously, we need to keep the larger goal and large interest of water conservation and other factors of environment higher than other factors. And hence a lot of steps have been taken. We have made certain mining in certain areas illegal in one way, and so those mining areas, the minings have stopped. In certain areas it started again, but then again we've taken measures to stop it. So these kind of things are happening, but slowly and steadily we are seeing that these areas which are affected and which are affecting the water supply, we are able to contain the mining activities in that to a large extent, but not completely 100%. But the efforts are on, and we can assure everybody that we will ensure that that all these activities which are affecting the different sources of water are also taken care of, and any kind of activities of illegal mining taking place in these areas is also stopped.
Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulang National President ke NPP ulapan pau ke jing scam jing mut by Dr. Amprin Lingdo bat ke agatha ke Sangma ki kertong ke NPP bikin job iki election MP Syaka Lok Sabha naga jela Meghalaya. Ulang baki election ke dehi ki election kumta kolong ke bae bha namar haman lak election ki long ki baper ha ke jing long jongki. Bat ki don ye ki mat baper bat ki pat ba ki tap vote alor ki mat baper. Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulang baki NPP kam shim laken sting AA hak election baki kimit lenti ke bahatam haba kila trish tomba hak election MP Syaka Lok Sabha.
Yes, we are confident that the party will win, NPP will win both the seats. But as I said, it's elections, so I've always maintained that elections are always tough, and I've always maintained that every election is different in nature. Every election has got different issues, and people vote on different issues in every election. So we cannot take things lightly, but we're confident, we have done well, we have worked hard, and we hope for the best.
Haswa bangini kmi isu iki kubor kijangi ini phaswa si por sigi jingpen bena. Haba phabiang segi bentar jong ke kubor, menta kata yau ki riusum kabu kila pensyong seir ya kerilung khasi bat jaintia. Ha ka bakala don ke jeng kta ya ka syong suk syong san, da ki kampen triem ki jong kini ki riusum kabu, ki belalet ban kawang petrol bom ha ki police station, bat wiang deng ru ya ki kali sarkar.
Haka laipok terik uyayong arhajar pusau. Haka podang step perengap kiri usyum kabu kila tangnya artli kali keberana pelau jong ke Police Reserve ha Jowai haka distrik West Gentle Hills. Kat kum ki kubor belai olum le thu ba kiri usyum kabu kila wiang ding ya kawai ke bos pulet bat kawai ke gypsy jong wei pulet ak por arbajemen step. Ki pulet le thu baka kali gypsy kila ing khongkhat kat baka bos kila ing malumala. Bat la suba jor ba kiri usyum kabu kila kawang do petrol bom ya kini ki kali. Ki pulet kila register mukaduma halo kene kejing syau yang ding ki kali bat menta kidang penlong ya kejing toket banlap ya kebedan keti ha kene kakam seniu. Kireu runar hakamit jong kesengi palai kila kawang do petrol bom ya kawai kali bolero jong ketenat water resources hakabakani kali sarkar kala ingkong lut. Kadi kejingja kelaja hakapor kumbakan dai bejemen miet bat kani kali kabadanu number ML not UAE not UAE Nyosan kabalamang banpedan kam do Deputy Chief Engineer jong ke Directorate of Water Resources kelasya kawang do petrol bom kat bakarangnya ngakamat ke office terekam jong ketenat water resources kabadan Harisa Colony. Haka bedai begini kejingja ki pulit kila register mukaduma bat menta kidang penlong ya kejing tokit banlap iki breu kebadan keti haka nika kam seniu. Kireu runar kila letru ban kawang petrol bom mika ketem jong ki pulit CRPF kebadan haka jingking maulai. Bat kila kawang petrol bom haka renja police station bat haka sadar police station bat kila kawang petrol bom ro ke office terekam jong ki MGCC kebadan haka Chestress Laban. Kani kejinglong jengman kala pensyong siir ki patba na kejingja kha jong ki jingkawang petrol bom. Ki pulit kila register mokot dumai kini kejingja baro bat menta kidang penlong ya kejing toket ban lab kini kebidan keti bat ban penshtom ya ki kat kum ki kendon an.
Hakala asu ible jo kata yau kawai ke truk ke bakit ya ke jeri kala ing khongkhat habagi thilit ding ki bala kelang bah kila bamdu ya ke truk ke bala peniang ha surok bah ke badan ha kasnong jentru Riboy district bat unong buat jong ke truk ulam mensau ha ke jingja.
Hakawai kejingja plo ding kawai ketrok kebaket shikali kejeri kala plo hadian bagi thilit ding besar kai kila bamdo kene ketrok. Kani kejingja jong kene kejing plo ding kene ketrok kala ja kumbaha kapor RBJA no phaisngi hak snong jentru harut kusrok ba National Highway bahan reo hak district Riboy. Katkum kejing te beliau alum loong bagani ketrok baket jeri kadai kebayang harut kene kusrok ba National Highway bahan reo. Bad unongnya rengkat berunong bot kidang tiak penjatat ladi hak negapor bakading kelayok ban bam yang negatrok. Itu rubu unong bot jong negatrok ulah kam mensau nomor kejingyok ban bam kipli ading. Kadba unongnya ulah mensau melumala nomor bah kapor baja kene kejing ading ini ki arngut kedang yok tiak lengai. Tad hadu bayok kene kubor kibor penlip ding nanong po sning ban nak yam fire and emergency services kidang yakon ban tem keding kebarang kelang bah.
Có bé nó lấy trông sning này, in cloud.
ज़्यादा तो नहीं हुआ नीचे
कितना बजे ऐसा इट हुआ? कितना बजे?
अभी आधा घंटा हुआ।
आधा घंटा? तो पुलिस सर्विस को फोन किया?
किया था
तो
मैं और था मेरा खलासी था गाड़ी में डाला हुआ है
हाँ
गाड़ी में खलासी था मैं गाड़ी में डाला हुआ है
तो
सर सबको जल गया
नहीं गाड़ी का वजन में क्या है
रबड़ सर
रबड़
अभी तक फायर ब्रिगेड वाले नहीं पहुंचे
फोन भी किया
आग लगे लेकिन फायर
आधा घंटा हो गया
कोई पुलिस ना फायर ब्रिगेड आधा घंटा से ज़्यादा हो
गया फोन किया था भाई हम सोए थे इधर आके गाड़ी खड़ा किया था हम सोए थे
एक बंदे सोए हुए थे
हम 2 बंदे सोए थे अचानक से आग पड़ी हमने बहुत मुश्किल से वो लड़का दूसरा तो जल गया मेरे भी सर में आग लगी थी हम बहुत मुश्किल से बचे
दौड़ के आए यहाँ
वो लड़का तो पूरा जला हुआ है दूसरा
कहाँ पे वो
गाड़ी में
गाड़ी में
मैं आगे था वो पीछे था मैं निकल गया बाहर तो वो मेरे पीछे जब तक निकलता वो पूरा जल गया सर 1 घंटे से खड़ा है
1 घंटा से
जी
क्या है
सर इतना नहीं हमें मालूम नहीं टाइम तो मालूम नहीं आधा घंटा हो गया सर
नहीं वजह
का कोई मालूम सर वायरिंग शॉर्ट हुई है गाड़ी
वायरिंग शॉर्ट होने से बस
गाड़ी में
वायरिंग शॉर्ट
Banile ban budien hadu kanu ki kam ki jam ki layat hakabe dei ba gajing sinai ka surok Shillong Dawki bat Shillong Western Bypass hakasi balang jokata yo usumbut menteri rang ba kajala uba pres tun song ulalum mi gajing yalang banetai sani halor kini ki project sina surok
Hagini kajing yalang kabalalum do uba pres tun song lawan banishim bentalang le chief secretary kajala uba DP walang ki head officer sarkar ki head National Highways and Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited NHIDCL pat kiwe Habai keren bikinong patay kubor uba preston tensong ulong bagi kam gijam kelayat kelenti ke badai bat hakabay bagi Shillong Western Bypass ki Deputy Commissioner jong district Riboy bat East Khasi Hills keladap ban ay yakatukan gijaka syaka NHIDCL ulong basyan on sa IT yakijaka barok pansnay ke surok syaka NHIDCL bat ko work order ladap ban IT syaki contractor Uba preston tensong ula pentip mementai kelas sedang biang ban beteng yakijing snay ke surok Shillong Dawki La kadai ka 4 lane ni ka package 12/4.
When we see I do a review meeting with the NHSL and then all the concerned department for the implementation of Shillong Dawki Road and number 2 is for the Western Bypass. So right now everything is on track and as far as Western Bypass is concerned, even the possession of land has been partly handed over to the NHIDCL. Both the DCs, one is from East Castles and number 2 is from Riboy district. So land possession has been handed over partly and very soon I'm very sure we'll be able to hand over the entire stretch of this road length, whatever, to the NHIDCL because the work order also have been issued to the contractors. Well, the Shillong Dawki Road, the work is has just started again. I think you must have seen it, be it the 4 lane or be it the package 2, package 1, package 2 and package 4. They have just started and I'm very sure. Of course, I don't have the percentage of work done, but maybe very soon I will get all the details from the NHIDCL.
Da kajing sokya halor kajing ja kha jong kajing pluding joki klau ki betap kabalawan ra kajing julor ya kami mariang bat buru ikajing ma ya ki yeng gisem ni ki jing tay ki bidan marjan superintendent of police jong katnat fire bat emergency service UDM sangma ula kentu ki pat ba kim dei ban bread ki pliak ding haki klau ki betam kenang ban lat na kanu kajing pluding
USP Katnat Fire and Emergency Service UDM sangma ula kentu ginong chongchnong hakajela bagi di benusiar habaki bread iki plia ading laki di secret ni kiwe haki klau ki betap kabla barmanra akajing pluk ki klau hakrukom kab ishir khai la ban kedau hang ni bahagi ni ki khendiat banai bla sedang ka ayam terkhong kajingja ba ing ki klau ki betap ki yeng ki sem kajing dan jeng em klanang jur na kowe kesni shkoi pat kabla wanra ya kajing do nong ka bakrau Habakran kilat patai kubor hak arterik ujemang arajar pusau USP Katnat Fire and Emergency Service uliatu baman gasngi katnat gi ojing tip iki arpau hadu arpsan tili ki jingja uploading jengki klau gi betap kumta kadun kam ke jingshim kyan gi nong shnong bantem yakum kini ki jingja ulong sho bahabadon kum kini ki jingja ki pat ba kilaban phone number UAR kenang ba katnat kan la ban wan ai ya ke jingerap ka bakam kloy
Mostly these days we have wildfires, jungle fires. People are careless. People, they smoke, they throw the fire, they put a cigarette butt, the PDFs, so they're on the jungle only. But right now we're going through a very tough time fighting those extremism. We have numerous, more than 15, 20, 25 fire incidents every day. That is the situation right now we have to go through. It's a very difficult situation. You see, prevention will have to come from the people only. You see, what we can do is that we can just, when the fire starts, we just have to send our men and just dose off the fire. But prevention, it has to come from the people only, from the common man, that they should be careful. Because many unwanted fires, recently one PHA godown was burned down, all plastic pipes, because of that, also just because of jungle fire. So that is what, and people should be aware also that they should, once they see a little bit of fire, they should try to stop it as much as possible, and in the meantime they should inform. Now it is very easy. You don't have to call directly to the thing 108, 101. People can call directly on 112, because 112 is for all the emergencies. That is our national single emergency number. So people should be aware of that number, and they should inform any time whether they'll be able to close it to stop the fire or not. They should immediately call 112. People will respond there, and within 2-3 minutes they'll be converted to our fire control room, and from there within 2 minutes everyone starts from the fire station.
So are there any shortage of manpower in the fire service?
We have a huge shortage of manpower because of those COVID problems. 2019 requirement was Langton, it was stretched up to last year, so that was a big loss for us. As of now, actually we have taken the help of some Homeguard volunteers. Around 120 Homeguard volunteers, we have given them a short-term trainings, and now we are employing them also for helping firemen.
Unang yalam kasengsan Partai United Democratic Party UDP ubak kermen sela hakasi hat majai jong tayo ulaong ba ka ban batai lepa manu ban job ya ke election MP. Hendai ulapan paupat ya ke jengkermen ba kinu ki job ya ke election MP ken trei bha na ka banta ka bha kamiat jong pat ba ka jela.
Habai keren bikinong Partai Kubor ubak kermen sela ubalong Menteri Sarkar. Ulang bagajingnya vote kanang simpor bat kalong ka bahaban batai lupa manu ban job. Ndrai ungit scam ba manu ru ki job ki election ken train ka benta ka bha kamiat jong ki pat ba bat kin buram ya ka vote ka bakiyo. Ulang balada kali ya ka UDP bat UU unong bakan job ka UDP kumtala da kali ki breon ka Congress ka VPP ka NPP ni ki kertong khamseng kin kam bakin job maki ki election. Ulang bagajing job ne jingram kam dai satya ki kiti jong ki ndrai Kilatrish tom haban job ikanik election. Ulang baru ki MLA kilatrish tom hasispa nak sispa ndaka kabak dohi kan syong hupat ba yano banjir. Uba kermen ulai kublay ya baru ki MLA ha ka kanhon Regional Democratic Alliance kilatrish tom bat kani ka pedi ka jingit teli bat ki snam ke bandang wanru kendang beteng menetrelang da ka jingit teli. Halor ka jingkeli bagladon ginong kersan ki UDP kiblalet ben kersan no eka VPP bat ki wei pat ki sengsan partai. Uba kermen ula kubur bagi kato kane kinong kersan UDP kilalet ben kersan no ya kiwei pat kiseng san partai. Ndai ulia tu apat bagi kinong kersan ya kiwei pat kiseng san partai ru kilawan ban penyeso no syaka UDP.
When it comes to MP election, no doubt some of our supporters they win and support different political party, and even from others also they came and join us. So that's why where there is a vacancy, somebody came and fill it, and sometimes out of us they come out and then support the others. So here we cannot say who is who because we don't have any proof, but for sure there will be, since lakhs and lakhs of people are voting, so no doubt your supporters, some of them will jump to other side and then some will come and join you. The crowd, what we saw in the field of any political party campaign, that is not enough to win, because we need at least 2.5-3 lakhs minimum to win the election. So we believe, and we have seen, we can count also that all those political party who held this campaign, that is not even in lakhs. So we cannot say that with that numbers they can claim the election that they will win it. But we need the public support, not only those who are in the field, but even those who cannot come also. So we believe that those especially are from our side. Though our people, they cannot come and join us in the rallies or in the public campaign, but they do love us. So we believe this love and support they give to our party, this will give us more strength to fight more election in near future to come. If by sitting in the opposition and you claim that you fulfill the needs of the people, then I don't know why do they elect us? Because in my constituency, particularly, my people will never want to see me sitting in the opposition, because they know that being in the opposition is not easy to bring development and then bring the needs of the constituency. So we always need to be in the ruling party so that we can have something what our people requires. So by sitting in the opposition and you claim that the ruling party fails, I don't know what exactly is the contribution we can give by being in the opposition, but I will not blame them. Maybe that is the place where they choose to be and they love to be, is their choice. But for us, for me personally, I feel that when you win the election, the public support, they have full faith on you that you be in the ruling party and then bring developments to your constituency. Yeah, it's just one thing I would like to urge the people of our state. No doubt the different political party might try a different field, might try different strategy to make them, to get their support. But I feel personally that, and then I know also that our people cannot be fooled just by those fake promise and then just by telling them that we are the best. But they know who's who, and then I feel that whichever the election we contest, that the public, whatever they give, their support, that is their support genuinely to those political party, not just by listening to those fake promises or fake claims that they are the best and the rest are the worst. So I believe the people of our state, they know very well who to choose and what to believe.
Hakabede bagajing penmenak IMD bagandon kejing jorslap akajela balak sorkar jela kelalong kebelapan kere aneam ladaja badan kanu kejing penjulur nagi bor kemariang. Uba kermen cela uba kemiru yakatana revenue ba disaster management ulong bom kwa bagandon kanu kejing wanan shop jigi bor kemariang ne kanu kejing jular. Nrel lada kawan japat kinele aban akejing syakri kebahatam yakipat ba kajela.
Kinong elam ke Jaintia National Council JNC Central Body hakala si ublay jogtayo kiladawa na usumbut Menteri Rambak Kajala ubak Pres Tun Tensong banweng no yakisipai Border Security Force BSF kibabu iki check gate ha sona perdi umblu bat dona khamtam habaki BSF kila pentut bat thomboru yakipat ba kibalet bawan.
Kinong elam ka Jaintia National Council Central Body haga arp kendai trek uyayong arajar pusau kilawan bani kendo yo sembut Menteri Rangba Kejela ubadairu Menteri Badi Kemi ya ketenat korbari Kejela uba Pres Tun Tensong bandawan ke sarkar banweng sipai BSF kibabo iki check gate hasona perdi umblo bat dona habakran hilat patai kubor Presiden ka Jaintia National Council CEC uba sambor milengdo Ulong bak jingdon jek sipai BSF hakisnong gitau kipentot ikinong song jong kene kathan namar baki pentot ikinong let nong wan kam tam ikibara ikimar kimata bandit dish kiyo kibadan hakini kithan uba sambor mi ulo kedawru bak jingdon sipai BSF kajuan ra ekajing tombor yakipat ba hagane district hagani kesini kaliang keseng kala airu ekador khas bandawan menteri katenat korbari Kejela ban penklan yak infiltration checkpoint harata cera nagabenta ban khanglat yak ibreu ke banabar bakin wan buhai snong syakane kathan
hadin ke jingmi jong ki kendrum kendram apo ka district ke jongi apo East Jaintia Hill district nakadau ke jing bukit jong ki BSF apo highway apo jingken sunapur Ram tang kataru kajing don jong kini BSF kalong penpan kajing tut yaki trairi ki trai muluk namar laga kini ki priu ki wan yeu kum nakli riat na lum snong banle cha umkiang cha ta shara ba cha snong ki jong ki cha check bat ki sha pendik ha kini ki BSF na kataru kajing no ba ki kit yaki mar ba mut penyat sepok Bangla tak kene ke jing lek jong ki BSF kala kata adu kata ya ki bayang na ketu kaget dah ke jing sengau khia wat hakini ki sengi ki bala debru ki dan ki seng bahalang ki bala mi paiba ban persya ya ketu ke jing dan jong BSF tengi na yang ke JNC kum ke seng ke ba napo na te napo is Jahil district ngimla shu ban lontang ki nong pekai na ka benta ke jing jong ki paiba tenta ke sengi ngilayo ban ikendu ba di Deputy CM ibalong ru ka juga por kumi Home Minister ban ekran halor kende ke jing nak kalian di Deputy CM ila itu ini haba hakajing sha nak kalian ka state government kila ada pansna ya kata ka district coordination committee ke baka state government ni kala ibor ya kini ki deputy commissioner jong ki district bapar bandandar nak kata ka coordination committee hakaba ki he jong ki BSF ki bodan apa to gatain ru ke deban dan apa kata committee bat kunjul ru kirang basnong ban ekran ya kini ke jing jong pajba andre habangi tipap nak kalian jong deputy commissioner jong ke East Jahil district hadu minta menne umpat la halor kene dan nak kalian ke jong deputy CM pula beta ingi ban ya kendu ya DC jong ke East Jahil district banyak keran halor kene ke jing jong ki paiba bat la keran syairu ba ka jing don jong ki BSF ang to kam dan jing namar ke East Jahil district kam de ka jaka ka babun kita ke seng la no le kade ka jaka ka ba chong suk chong sain te ni kwa ya ki BSF bikin don support border ni na ki por kene ki khar bangla ki wandrung support ka district jongi ki penyap ya ki produk ki prasnam jongi ki penmensau ya ki produk prasnam ki jongi ngidang yo idang mana kene ru apo ka video kala viral support social media bagine ki khar bangla ki kabang mau ya ki turis ki bawan support dauki tengi lengo bahasa ki dan ki BSF hakum gitu ki por ba ki produk prasnam jongi ki sha thompor la kene ki BSF ta ka ba ar ka jingi kendu jongi badu Deputy CM ubadu Home Minister kalong ban pengklan ya kan ni ka infiltration cegir ke bodan hapo rata cara namar ngiteng bayo lesi hadin baka sarkar India kala pentrikam ya ka CEA tengiting hawa ka kum ke jing ong jong ka sarkar India baka ni ka CEA kan numla ban kata aki jaka ki bodan ka district council ne kita ki 6 schedule area handre na kanyang jongi ke sengim pat snusngan ta kumtang ikwa ya ka sarkar bakan pengklan ya kini ki infiltration cegir ke badan apa rata cara dan kalian jong Home Minister ubade ro ka cukup por Deputy CM ula kula rangi keseng bana kalian ka jong unsa simkia halar kini ki mat jingdawa bana ka cukup por abade ba kini ka BSF la shay ka singin insa kendu badu Deputy Commissioner jong ka East Jahil district hatu kila form na ya kata ka district coordination committee ke baka state government kala pha iki ba ki de banla
Banile ban penyar ke jing sakri ki patba ki bapang basitam hakasi balang jukata yo ka civil hospital nongpo kala plie ya ka special care newborn unit SNCU nak benta ban aju sumare ki kelung ki bedang sukha ki badan ye ki jing pang baper
hakasian ka beningkong ke jing sakri jong ka civil hospital nongpo ha ka jaka sumar pang jong kipat ba lapli pat seka sumar ki kelung de sukha ki berani ki jing stom ki baper ke belatip kum ka special care newborn unit SNCU ya ka balapli ha kisitrik ujemang arhajar arpusau ha nongpo civil hospital kani ki jing pli pat ka jaka sumar pang kerpang ya ki kelung ki sukha pat ki berani jing stom baper kan penmetoy skade ki nong snong ka district Ribhoi kam tam ki kimi ki pa ki yo ki konred ki berani ki jing stom namar bakim dan kaman COA RUM Dr. HB Uam pediatrician but in charge jong kene unit ulito bagi bor jong nong possible hospital kila dan gejing ban pentre kam kene unit mentala ka to kene senam badde kene senam arhajar arpusau balala ban penur long kene gejing bad bo se ka sumar pang ka beker pang ki kelung ki brang sukha ki badani gejing pang boper ulito ru bagane ka jaka sumar ka beker pang kan long kabanla mensumar yaki kelung kerang bagan pensuk yaki kimiki pa namar mensyua lahap manpa ne pengkedria yaki kelung kibran jistom Shabatini Hospital newat Shashilong bagi kimiki pa kimat jingi ashkade mar kaban pelut bon kapisa nak bentak jing sumar ban mentapat kin om dan kam show ban pelut RUM ya kejing sumar namar bakalong kabalate
ka kejing don kan ne SNCU kan yarap shibon bahaya gi ni nong chong nong Ribhoi district nomor bunsin ki khulung brang sukha ki bom yam bah tingi hap sukha bisa yo sebetani le selong tagalong di dong sibun gi long tras nong chong nong Ribhoi tidak ka jingdon kan SNCU kan penmentoi bahai ki namar ba mentara mundur khulung yam tik layo be dengan special care ne kimdan kam chu balle se Shillong kimdan kam chu balle se Bethany te khamtam ki khulung ki bastem ro kalau ngba simple bahai ki khulung bastem tini hapha sibu Bethany lan sidu Shillong te namar dar gilis Bethany ro kan ki di bang stem ga song rem da ga jing sumar to te bahane layo free ro na dong sidong tangkatai
Kumah ini kitiar ba.
Kitiar kira bun gila biang dut narong sidong. Nang don kerja tu soal kiba empat ini yo kita sepoi ini selesai.
Okey. Ini tak not lagi bad tu lah.
Supposedly.
Ya kan yang dah nasta.
Kemak semua resiko baik. Tangkat tahi ini kan don kitiar. Dah dapat kata jumlah sebenarnya tang pos po baik.
Dah kejung semua ban penyak yo so san. New strawberry ban kersa ni kinong rap yo new so katna tourism kala penlong ya ka strawberry market hakandai lan bat hakani karensan la ai jakalang ya ki kunhon nang tem bakin peni ki sap ki phong ki jongki hakmat jongki pat ba ki bawan syakani ka yo so san
haga laipo trek uyayong arhajar arpusau Menteri Sarkar berkemi ikatna jengok kai pertai ubah poleng do ulalit jengok adalah de ya kene ka yo soshan ne ka strawberry market hagaba ulabam yo ice cream strawberry ladi ukum so strawberry berulu jurip ru ya kidukan kiba labu agane ka jaka berula syong menpet kai ki kenhon ki batem agane ka jaka ka badon ka yo soshan Habaikiran bikinong patay kubor ubah poleng do ulong ba ka sarkar agane ki artayo ki balalet kala penlong ya kane ka Strawberry Festival hakaleng gijaka bat menta kala shime ka sinjam ka baar ban penlong ya kane ka Strawberry Market ban kring ginong jengok kai perthai bat kumjo ya ki try jela ulong baleng ba gajinge trailang bat ka tenat ka rap karyang bat ka horticulture kina syu gajinge rap ginong rap bat kumba kalong menta ki jaka ki bapenmi strawberry ki layo ki surok ki bapaka ha ka bagi kali kala ban poi sendan syaduk ki jaka rap bat kane kala pensuk shibon ni ginong rap Hagawai perkaliang ubah poleng do ulong balengba ka Meghalaya Grassroots Music Project jong ketenat jengok kai perthai hagane ka samoy ka baar kumbalai hajar tam ginong ruai ke shimbentaman lagasngi haki program ki balong hasilong jowai seora ribhoi bat harilom garo ubah poleng do ula pentep ba sarkar jelak lade ban itu bat ban register ya ginong de madan bat kabasa menta kalong satang ban ajakano eki bakin syong ban de jing de klem de penuit chu ya kayat ke yang jing pat ba ha kesurok akan dailat uli tu ru sarkar kadan jing tumu ban pendep gene ke jing tumu ha po ubnai jeliu menta kesnem ban chupen kan mau ha ki benai ki balalet uba poleng do ulalet jurep gitan kan dailat ha ka ba ula pentep ba sarkar jela kan penkelano ekne kathan kum kajaka ka bandai kerpang ya kabayat kejat bat sya ban yat kali syut akan dailat syalat sosun bat nakan dailat syajil road
ke jing persang ke jongi kalong ban synergize ban ra ka jing tray lang pedeng ke tourism department bat department of agriculture bat horticulture ke mengi ni relate ban showcase ban pi ya kini ki reviews jong kejela jungi nang bakan kring ya brio ki banabar ba kin long pada maki ki ban ra kintien chang using ki chul bat ki so bi na tani ki jungi de aka jingi trailang pada bat ka agriculture horticulture department kini kita nak sarkar pada kinang ai social incentive ya ki nongrap ki jungi bat kubangai itu ipimena ka strawberry festival ka dang shudap ki kumkanuksa kini ki shnong akaba strawberry uni menta ka road connectivity ka yang ki beliau ka pai hadu ka jaka hadu ki strawberry fields ni ba ki beliau ki laban kai nang tu bat ran road agikani aku jan joka jaka begitu kajing wan jonga menta ka sini ni kalong ban consider bat I mean CM ya ki nong rep ki jongi namar ada hasil ke ba Mekong ba ka tenat tourism kala ban belong ya ke strawberry festival dang apayo menchua no run sentung ba hasolia kini kisnong hak bagi nong rep ki rep yo strawberry de hadin jong ka festival kalau ngilap pelong kita kisnong bentang ngilap semua senjam ke ar ke balong ba ngit pelong ya ka yo strawberry market kajik temu kalau ba ngin kering ya ki nong jungo syakani ke jala batru iki trai jala bakin tip ba kadon kalat kelenti bagi nong rep jungi kin bit kin biang ling ba kadam karyang dan kajing ete rekat bring ke department tourism buat ke horticulture kaba ar ka tau kaba ngawan hangi kalong ban jungo daladi ya kani ka rensan kaba PE yang ni kaba ki ni kinong nation bentai kinong roai na kani ka Meglia grassroots music project jong ka tourism department kio banishin bentai but hakani ka season 2 kani ka samai ka ar jong MGMP kumba lai hajar tam norway ki shimbenta man kaski ki shows Ashulong Jainte Hills Garo Hills Seora Riboy de mentapat ni kani ka snow bat kani ka jingtmu ka jongi pakani ka handailat nang ni ter shalu sha lat bat pai sha obstruction bat tumju bat pai sha jail road ini kijaka kinlong no ba ni ong ka pedestrian zone lani jaka batang ni ba ya ijak ni khang no ka jingrum jogi kali jogi ni katan ya ka bang ala depan benar hamswa di ko banyak cepat Jakarta bat lawan back kali ni ba takno kini ka jaka kalau da pabit yang kalau suitable nak kita kini ka jogi de kini ka namdai tang benta kini ka way ka festival andai kedai nak benta ba kumbangi ong ba Shillong kedai ka music couple jong dari India kwa ban kena ba kibri maspai ha Shillong ki babon nati ki pai shwa ning kong ni dara kini kini experience ya karwai ka siau music jong ki artist ki badan sap jong ni dia kata kedai idea but hakajing idai pada but kini kidong di madan ngi ladap ya ke proses ban identify ki ban register ki ban mentah ka basa kolong safa ngin ai ki jaka ba kin shong ban penyak ka khai ka pateng joki kem da penget shu ya kaya ka yeng ha suram juga kendala di kani ngin penkut ha bo jong nai June
Haswa bangini beteng susu iki kubor ngini phai biang so sipor sakini ki jing pen bna Haswa bang ini kami igi kubor gi berangsa ngini pen kan mau biang ya kimat bakong san na taktayo. Ka sarkar ka nom aila ban sim ya ka an hala kakti. Bat ka jengkawang petrol pom kam dan benta AA bat ka jeng sakem kiduk hat ka KSU ong ba prestun. Berngem kisam lawat kampulet ban nek ujorno asa ka ying bisa. Dawa ka HYC ban kendang no igi sispa sa pratili kilong yeng ki basa bi an hat hem metor. Penlong jingalang ki bor ka East Khasi Hills halor ka kam sa bi an jo ki brio halum survey. Bat lum jingalang ba prestun halor ka jing sinai ka surok Shillong Dauki bat Shillong Western Bypass. Da ka jing tmu benile ban kentiu ya ka sap ka phong jogi khna ba ki samla ki bele ka ya ka roll ball ha ka jela ka Meghalaya Roll Ball Association kalapan bena bahkan penlong ya ke 4th Senior Roll Ball Federation Cup. Hakaba kani kalempung ilakai kalalong hagasaw aga santare ujemang haga school St. Anthony's High Secondary School.
Ka Meghalaya Roll Ball Association kan penlong ya ke Senior Roll Ball Federation Cup kebasaw bahkan long haki arsmi hagasaw bat santare ujemang haga basketball court jong ke St. Anthony's High Secondary School Hashilo. Ya kene ke Senior Roll Ball Federation Cup kebasaw onwan bani syembeta de katwe tili ke jela hakari. Haga bedai bagajeng penlong ya kene ke jinga kop kidkhat ka Meghalaya Roll Ball Association lawan bani kendo iklat patai kubor. Haga balalam khamat da uba asuk lang dakar President Association ringkat baduba Joshua Sotun Vice President lembat kibai-kibai.
Da ka jung tmu benile ban sanjor ya ka sap ka phong ile kai bat ban pelat ya ki khna bagi samla na ka jingop ha ki jingdi ki besniu ha si pelai jok ta yo ka seng samla nong rem bernihan kala plie ya ka yeng ban a jingi kai ha ki jingile kai boxing
ban kring ya ki kon samla ban jet ka sports om ki jingdi pen buat kam tamu drugs kaseng samla nong rem bernihat aka arterik ujemang arhajar arpusaw kalashim da kasenjam ban play da kayeng ban ailat ik samla ki baiet ka kamela kai boxing ban penlong kum gajaka kilan met ya ka bela play ka ne kayeng ya kilan met ha gajaka jong bernihat sports association ha kani ka jing play ka ne kayeng ban ya kilan met bat ban pentebet ha ka kamela ka yakura lawan ban don lang usamla Raymond Kela president kaseng samla nong rem bernihat uklore le aka yakura bat mixed martial arts MMA kejela ujoni nongrum u coach ka Riboy District Boxing Association u Dennis Marwen bat kibai-kibai habakran hakinong tho kubor u joni nongrum ulepen pau gejing kemen halor kesenjam jong keseng samla nongrem bernihat ban pai kemat ka kamel aka yakura kawala kring pai ki samla agane ka jok ka bamenta da ka baseng yakane ka yeng ban ailat eki bakin kilan met bat bakin yo jing hikai Ulong ru bokum uwe ni kirang ilakai sports kamtam haka jingya kura bat ke MMA. Uga angnut bagi samla bagi nelek bakai bah haki kam sports bat om bakin ngop haki wig bagi jingdi penbuat kibala penjot penprai kibabon kilong giang. Shosho ujoni nongrom ubla syajit ban mi kemat negeri India syakarensan ilakai South Asian MMA Championship kaban selongshan negeri Thailand. Ula penpau bama u lembat u David Ronghang kilanang pun kreak balin mi kemat syakane kerensan ilakai MMA kabahe ak perthai. Hadin begila syajit na kejingi shimbenta hagi rensan jong ka last man standing fight night belalong ha Kolkata bat syen kini ke arngut ken led biang sya Kolkata bat gida angnut ban yo rai kana mlado ha kini kejingi kun jong ka South Asian MMA Championship.
Apor punya songkai, bagi orang kadang kacaka kabalat, kudli film sina di jasan main mah, ini ya lekai, ni kilan met, ni kini ni kena ro. Te kabastonat kalong ba, kumlasala syai, la fonia yang lagi lah sedang gekam. Te dang studio mentah kadang masih ada pisna kan ya. Buat hagajuk apor. Te kumnga badu David di syajit tentang kata Asian Game ke belong ha Phuket Thailand atau bunai Jun Ini jingdon jangan ni kecakap yang lagi niok bandan lang haju, bat dan ya motivate iwe pat. Marbur sini adalah ladapi. Ya kami roy long tak play no ane fi songnya no ande habai dan lang long motivate iwe. Tekani kejing sajit ni kalau hadin ba nilai sebentar kani ka. Last man standing fight night kau sebelum hani ha Kolkata. Lalai sin nak sebentar de asin ngejok sin ngeram. Kifun nang tay yung ba lalong qualify ban sebentar kani ka sin game ka balong mentah dan jumut nem lara video jumut hak sim so balik situ yung ngaban let sakwe ka selection po Kolkata. Kaban clear gitu buat kejing pengkreat dengan sebentar fi kalong ka ba ya bet hi kung barabor andre mentah kala kamlong ekstra no kendat mar kadai kajin akai kaban lek sabar ke happy ban pengkreat ha
poro bentar nya ngitan hane lang bat kini ki nak pemla jingi dan kai pli mentah kini klub lung nongrim boxing club dan stand coach jingi Johnny nongrom dan ya lek lang sa yo Thailand ya lang ngi ro setelah ko Johnny nongrom bat kini kai jingi nak semla pemong Johnny long kini ki drop slide ban kini ki poro jingi setelah kum gini bro pemba Johnny jingi bukan hane ngir ngi sutenat lang baginya don lang nya ti lang menjadi kai lang apa ka sport ka boxing ini ta susi bat so benut bat shooting ro ban showroom seneng ya kene ka jingat jadi kena semlah udrat kebalong ke susi kalau ne ba dikena ke balangat hak tu kendai 100% kendai persen kemudian syuk ka chance makin lat lu ne unsen hi la ngọc betul ke layak betul. Tengah kuat bersuang. Dalam hi kuat bat adik hak sports. Ikena ke berpulih adik hak pulih. Om hak itu juga pen duk dia. Timlang salang jong barak hi. Ndai tang ngai ngasem kajat berde barak kuat. Bat bun sin hi. Si iba kini ki bangat hak tu. Kilong disturb barak si im dongki. Bat kembang ai pi mende kena 100% kim dan chance de ban lat kena lat makana ki selong malang baga lai kana sabana hanin rubna i bursin ki poi biang hero ki ngop biang hero ban lat ya kata kembang experience le hi hasu mende bang pada start ba ila de don hi kapto kani kepala ajen ngat de ngasu ngalat no nomor bang dan hakani ka sports kentam makani ka boxing Astana kini semlar gidon lang bat nakerman bat ngan barngem ro yaki ba umdei barngap hauto drugs
dak tu ko kubor ni la poi sa bakut jong ka tu kubor ngi mata ka yo yin se champat bat phi la sim te yo ha ka ju ko si ka ju ko por sa si sen pat le sibo